Guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious breakfast recipe. It is vegetable rava ghee khichdi. This recipe is so creamy, it'll just melt in your mouth, and it's also healthy with vegetables, and also it is very easy to make. Now let's see how to make it. So first I'm going to dry roast rava. So I have 1.5 cups of rava here, and I'll be roasting this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next to the pan, I'm adding oil. Ghee will be added at the end. To the hot oil, I'm going to add mustard seeds. To this, Chana Dal Urad Dal, curry leaves, Asafoetida, peppercorns. At this point you can add cashews. I ran out of cashews, so I won't be adding, but this is the point you can add cashews. Next, ginger and green chilli. So I'm going to saute this for about a minute. Next, onions. I'm adding salt so onions can cook faster. So I'm going to give about 2 minutes so the onions can cook. Next to this, I'm going to add half a tomato, not more than that. To this, I'm going to add veggies, turmeric powder, and I'm going to mix everything well. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook the vegetables for about 10 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. It's cooked well. I'm going to add water. Now this is the time to adjust salt, and then coriander leaves. So when you taste the water, it has to have the right amount of salt. So it's perfect. Now this has to come to a nice boil. So it started to boil. I'm going to add the rava. So I'm going to mix it. So it's going to cook, so I'm going to close it and let it cook. So I added like 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. So I'm going to just close and cook this for about another 2 to 3 minutes with the flame switched off, and this is basically done. So yes guys, rava khichdi is done. This is so delicious. Definitely try out. It's very creamy and delicious. It's my favorite breakfast. So hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.